Just like the last one.
It smells like a brand new project. So this is a 2004 325i. It looks nice. It's got slotted and drilled rotors. It's been lowered. The body is very nice. We used to have a 2002. And this is the best part. Uh-oh. There's 3 pedals in there. What are we gonna do? There's 3 pedals. Look. You guys know how to drive this?
No.
Not yet, but pretty soon. So this is the new project.
And it's tinted. It is tinted. It's very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
He left the glasses in there.
Nani, what are we doing? All right, Nani, what are we doing? Hold on, let me get over here.
We're gonna. So this car used to belong to a smoker. So you already know these are filled with.
Wait. All right, Nani, what are we doing?
So as we know, this car used to belong to a smoker. So you already know there's all that nasty, we just call it grub on there. So we're gonna take that off using this.
Okay.
All right. You want to spray a generous amount, all right? You want to spray it like you stole it. And then I'm going to use this brush, and we're just going to get in there.
Oh, wow, I think you need a little bit more. I don't think you stole it enough.
I don't think I stole it enough.
Here, I got you. Just going to spray a little bit more. There you go. There we go. Huh?
I almost splashed in my eye.
Oh.
Alright.
And then you're gonna take a rag and not a paper towel.
It's clean. Oh, it's not that dirty. Oh, it's not that dirty.
It's not. You can't even really see. The camera's not really picking it up either.
Oh, the sprayer there? I'm not back into this one. No, it's not that dirty.
It's the camera's not really picking it up. There is dirt on there, but okay then. Yeah.
It's not as dirty as we thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, so this is what we're gonna use for the entire interior, the seats included, and that black part right there. So yeah, we will come back once it's all clean, and then I am going to use this to clean the windshield inside and out, and then I'll also clean the windows with this as well. And then a secret that my dad just taught me is you got to use one rag to apply it, and like rub it on there, and then you got to use a clean rag to like wipe it off afterwards, and it'll be all shiny. So we will show you guys that. We will show you guys the results in a few minutes.
Turn. It's got back pressure.
I can feel it.
What does that mean?
So my daughter's picked up this 2004 325i. It has a crank but no start condition. We were doing all the simple stuff first. We checked the fuses, you know, inside the vehicle, the fuses here in the box, the relays, the fuel pump, spark plugs, all the initial stuff that probably won't make it start. But today we're gonna go ahead and buy a compression tester, and we're gonna check the compression on the cylinders, because I'm thinking it is a head gasket issue. Everything else is working, but I don't think it's getting the compression it needs to actually fire up. So that's gonna be the next test we're gonna run. We did find a little bit of water in the oil once we checked the oil filter. It was really not enough to be concerned, but it does have signs of a head gasket, because why else would water be in the oil? But we'll keep you guys posted. We'll do some tests. Oh, also it has a brand new battery. Let me show you guys. We did find something weird in this car, especially for this year. Bam, it's got 3 pedals. That's the new security system, so we know this one is not gonna get stolen. But that's what we have for now. We have all the parts as well. You know, we started stacking them up over here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy running. It's got drill and slotted rotors. It's got suspension work. I mean, once it gets running, my daughters were talking about drifting. We'll see how that goes. So that's what we have for you guys so far. I didn't put videos on changing spark plugs and checking all the electrical stuff. It's just like relays and stuff like that. So there's a whole bunch of videos out there showing you how to actually do it. But if we do have to tear into the engine and change out this head gasket, we will have a ton of videos. It's actually my daughter's project, so I'm helping / supervising. They're gonna be doing all the work. I'll just check, you know, torque, make sure they're putting everything back the way it goes. But this is 100% their project. I'm just helping, so we'll see. But for sure it's gonna be running here in pretty soon. Alrighty, y'all, thanks for watching. You guys have a blessed day.